Stop throwing your jackfruit seed away. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make use of your jackfruit to make your jackfruit flour or powder. So stay tuned. So to make your homemade jackfruit seed powder, you will need jackfruit. You need a mature jackfruit. When you cut your jackfruit, you're going to collect the jackfruit seed from the fruit pod. And for the pod, you can use it to make your smoothie or you can juice it to get the juice. Jackfruit seed are high in nutrients. It is rich in fiber and B-complex vitamins. You wash it. I'm going to show you how to steam it. I'll be using the steaming method to avoid destroying all the important nutrients from the jackfruit. So if you have a steamer, you can use it. This method is so good because you don't have to put your jackfruit seed directly into the water. So I'm going to be placing a cotton towel. Then I'm going to pour in the jackfruit seed inside, then wrap it up. Then I will cover and allow to steam for about 40 minutes or more. You need to steam the seed until the seeds are soft. So apart from making jackfruit flour, there are so many other ways that you can enjoy your jackfruit seed. I have some video on the comment section on how to use your jackfruit seed. After steaming for about 40 minutes or more, I'm going to open it and check if the seed is soft and tender. When the seed has fully cooked, I'm going to remove from the heat. You can spray it out to cool. When the jackfruit seed has cooled down, you can decide to peel the outer skin. You don't need to remove the brown skin. The brown coat or the brown skin of the jackfruit contains a lot of nutrients which we are going to need. So with the help of a knife, I'm going to be peeling out the outer skin of the jackfruit. So when I'm done peeling out all the outer skin of the jackfruit, the next step is to cut the jackfruit seed. You can decide to use a knife to cut the jackfruit into smaller pieces, but I'm going to use the bigger side of the grater to grate it so that it can dry faster. So with my grater, I'm going to grate the jackfruit seed because I want the seed to dry faster. So when I'm done grating it, this is all the jackfruit seed I got. So I'm going to spray it out on a tray that I lay a parchment paper, then cover it with chiffon cloth to avoid fly or any contamination. Then you can allow it to sun dry for 2 days, or you can decide to use your hydrator to dry it. So 2 days later, you can notice that the jackfruit seed has dried properly. You can now blend it into a fine powder. So with my coffee blender, I'm going to add the jackfruit and blend it until smooth. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to sieve to get the smooth or fine powder. Then repeat the same process until you're done blending all the jackfruit seeds. So to avoid moisture on the jackfruit powder, make sure that you spray it out after blending so that it can cool before you store it. You need to store this in airtight container and use whenever you want. Jackfruit flour is rich in fiber, B-complex, and some other important nutrients. It has antioxidants, which is good to reduce wrinkle. You can add it to your meal if you have diabetes and if you want to lose weight. You can use this to bake, use it to thicken your meal. You can also use it as binding agent. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.